Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part one. I'm going to ask you some questions. Uh, how do you usually spend your weekend?
Because I have a very busy routine in the weekdays, so I try my best to
During the
complete
weekdays?
during the weekdays. So I try my best to complete my given task because I am a working lady and plus student. So I try my best to complete the cooking
Yeah,
foods
during the
during
weekend,
the
I try
weekend
my best to come to cook food.
to cook food for my husband and child, and also trying to
I
complete
try
my
to.
I try to complete my study task, projects, and the other thing, and
Okay, thank you very much. In your country, do men and women usually do the same kind of things on weekends?
yes, you can say uh, the, they do their work equally. If you are a working lady, understood husband also working in the different areas, and like I am a working lady, I am done my work with the different aspects
I
and
do my work with different
do
aspects.
aspects, and the man also doing this.
Okay, the
So
men also do this. Present
do
simple.
this, all right.
Okay, when do you spend time with your family?
Mostly weekend on Saturday, Sunday, and also Friday because it's a half day of the weekend. So I try to my complete time, you can say, to
I
spend
try
in
to
the whole
spend
day
all time with my family.
with my family with whole day, and enjoy my layers moments
Okay, you need
and
to focus your sentence structure
all
and
right,
properly speak complete sentences because sometimes you miss sentence and you just speak a phrase.
like
So
right,
only phrase is grammatically wrong. The
okay,
sentence should have subject, verb, object thing.
all right.
All right, let's go on. What did you do last weekend?
I have my
I
own.
had.
I had my mock test, so I was preparing this
I,
with
I was
my.
preparing for that.
I was preparing for that with the notes that you had given me and my teacher had given me. In
Okay,
fact,
right.
so I tried the vocabulary, and especially I tried. In fact, I asked my husband to some notes by print,
Yeah, to print out
the
some notes.
printouts for me. The
So
this
this
is
is what, now just
very
stay connected. So this is what I did last weekend. 4 5 sentences are enough. You
all
know, when
right,
you give more detail, then you can't handle it properly.
all right,
So 4 5 sentences will be fine for you.
all right.
All right, let's go on. It's your turn, please. What is the most popular means of transportation in your hometown?
Well, most important transportation in my hometown is buses. People used to travel on buses.
People usually travel by buses. People usually, not used to.
People used to travel by
People usually travel.
people usually travel by buses to go their destinations. And yes, to answer your question is that
The
people
buses
will
are most
most
common
common
in my
country.
country. How often do you take buses?
Well, it depends upon my destination. I don't use too much buses to travel because I have my own
Conveyance.
conveyance to travel wherever I want to go.
Okay.
So I don't use so many buses.
All right. Is driving to work popular in your country?
Well, it depends upon the nature of the person and their status. Well, most of the people used to travel on public transport to
Most of the people travel by public transport.
by public transport to go their work. So, and many of the other people used to.
Don't use used to in present. Instead of that, you can say usually because used to is wrong in present. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Just you can answer. No problem. It's fine. You can just go on with one more question. Uh, do you think people will drive more in the future?
Yes, I think people will use to people will try to on their own travel to on travel
People will drive on their own.
on.
They will have their personal vehicle. They will drive their cars, just like that. So you need
Okay.
to focus the question and give a very much organized answer. I ask you again, do you think people will drive more in the future?
Well, it will. People will like to travel by their own vehicles because everyone wants to have the
Everyone would like to. future tense. Now you're using wrong tense. In
Present
present, you're using used to, which is absolutely wrong. I give you a sample answer. Do you think people will drive more in the future? Well, as far as I am concerned, according to me, it can be predicted that people would drive more and more, because now people are financially free. They can afford to have a car or any other vehicle. So in future, they would love to drive on their own to reach their destinations. So to answer your question, obviously, in the foreseeable future, people will drive a lot.
Okay.
Okay, something like focus the tense and then answer according to the tense. Okay, let's go on. I'll ask you one more question. What will become the most popular means of transportation in your country? What will become future?
Well, I think cars will become the more common,
The most common?
the most common vehicle for the particular persons, because we can travel by car anywhere to go our
Are you taking a
destination.
lot of pauses and your answer is not properly organized? After 1 to 2 sentences, you can't handle it. Okay, so let's organize this question again. What will become the most popular means of transportation in your country? Obviously, cars, as we can see in present. So according to the present figures, cars will be everywhere and they're going to be the most common mode of transportation in the time to come. And I think there will be some electric cars as well that will give people some freedom to charge their cars at home and economize on fuel. So therefore, cars are going to be a common sight in the near future. Something like that. Okay. Reorganize your thoughts, your ideas, and you should be crystal clear that these are 3-4 sentences I'm going to speak.
Okay.
Your language is good, but you need to focus your organization and make up your mind that I'll talk about these things, right?
Thanks. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank